Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Fox Knives Irves. This is a big liner lock flipper, and it's a beast. So the overall length is 8.63 inches, blade length of 3.3 inches, and it has a pretty big finger choil on it, so you can choke up as well. And the steel type is N690 Co. It is a liner lock, there you go. And the handles are 5.3 inches in length. These ones are G10. I believe they're all G10, excuse me. These ones are black. And you have a stainless steel liner and pocket clip for tip up right or left-handed carry. It's going to ride right about, somewhere like that in your pocket. And yeah, if I had to guess, I would say that this knife was designed as a folding survival knife. As you can see here, it's got some divots right there for a bow drill socket, and it's got them on the other side as well. So that's really neat. And that's on top of this thing just being an absolute tank, giving you a full-handed grip on this thing. Option of choking up on the choil. This thing is totally beastly. If I were stranded on a desert island and I only had this knife, I think I would probably be okay. Let's do a size comparison with a tactical clothespin. There you have it. And yeah, I think you should check it out on bladehq.com because this thing is sweet. And go ahead and buy it. It's the Fox Knives Irves.